Hi, this is Miss Liza again. Welcome to our 6th episode of my Verandans or my Baile sa Bundok. This is our last dance of the series, the Ramahari series. But you can really just use it as a cool down or as a warm up when you do the whole string of dances I've done in the past. We've done 5 major ones. Okay, so this is your last one. And I'm gonna do the whole dance again. So watch and see. Now I'm going to show you step by step, okay? It's really just a series of port de bras or carriage of your arms. You use your first position, your 5th, going to open second for figure 1, and then you do your port de bras number 2, which is from 3rd position, go to 4th, go back to 3rd, and finish. Do that right and left, or left and right, whatever. I believe I did my right side, so it was your left. Then you do your 3rd port de bras, which is just like the first port de bras, except you go forward, you go down, okay, and then cambre back. Okay, now we're going to the 4th port de bras. Okay, so that's, you're facing your diagonal. You're gonna open that back arm to second, twist your body to a nice epaulement. That's your 4th arabesque. and then back to your third. Okay, I skipped the fifth port de bras. I went straight to sixth port de bras, or carriage of your arms, wherein you're supposed to be going down on a lunge, so you can just stretch your back leg so you can feel your stretch here, and then stretch your front leg as you go around yourself, and then switch to the other side. Same thing, fourth port de bras. Okay, going to your fourth arabesque, and then sixth port de bras. Stretch your back leg. You're supposed to be doing that standing up, but I'm on a chair. Okay, so you just stretch your back and you stretch your Y ligaments. Okay, and then you go forward. It's supposed to be a lunge, straight diagonal, and then switch legs as you switch your port de bras. Okay, and finish. And then I did a little small port de bras to your open, and I did it once again standing up, and do the same thing, and maybe going up and step, cross your legs, dip your knee or bend your knee for a nice, you can even bend like this, or like possibly how the Indians would do it, the Hindu people would do it. Okay, so again, that's our Ramahari episode from dance 1 to 6, and we're gonna do another series, possibly a Disney series and a Young Star series, okay, which is your classical. I'm open for any requests. You can PM me, and hope we keep on dancing and moving, okay, being safe in mind, body, and soul during this quarantine period. I am really with you. Okay, I'm so far away from you, but I am with you through this dancing. I'll see you again. Bye.